Hi, thank you so much for installing Reactiv SUITE. My name is Emma, and I will be your guide through the app. I am just a button click away. Anytime you see this icon, just press it for a quick video. Let's get started. There are different apps in Reactiv for different meetings. Reactiv PITCH is perfect for presentations where you are working with just one file. For example, town halls, keynotes, investor pitches, company and product pitches are perfect examples. Reactiv STAGE is ideal for presentations where you have to show multiple files and compare them. Technical discussions, lectures, solution discussions, and interactive meetings are perfect examples. Reactiv SCRIBBLE is a whiteboard that is perfect for brainstorming, layouts, and visualizing concepts during your meeting. If you are new to Reactiv SUITE, I would recommend that we start with Reactiv PITCH. It only takes a few seconds to get up and running.